Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. I know 2020 is not a good year for anybody, but still I hope everyone is okay. I know I am back after so long time. Actually, there is so much happening in my life. I will post a video like that soon, where I will let you know few updates of my life. And this video I want to share two great recipes with you guys. These recipes are good for health, easy to make and also tasty. I know you guys want to eat healthy, but you can't compromise with the taste. So here I am to help you. You don't need to compromise with the taste now. And I hope you will find this recipe is good for you. And without further delay, let's just start with the video. But before start with the recipes, I want to tell you that we all should follow a healthy food habit regularly. If not regularly, but at least we can try. You can have better fit body. You can lose the unnecessary fat of your body, or you can build a stronger immunity system, or it helps in our mental health also. So you can start today. You know what, you don't need to make huge changes to eat healthier or make healthy choices. You can go step by step. Like if you are taking too much sugar daily, you can cut it down to 1 to 2 tablespoons, or you can replace your sugar with maple syrup or honey or jaggery powder, like natural sweeteners. They are much more healthier options. Or you can cut down your oil intake daily if you are taking too much oil daily. So the recipes I'm sharing with you, I hope you will find it useful. So that's all for the video. I hope you find it useful. If you find it useful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Don't worry, I'll be back with a new video soon. Till that, stay happy. Bye.